Men, it's time to stop borrowing products and start owning your routine. Introducing Blue Stratos Hair Follicle Boost, your 3-step solution to cleaner, stronger and stylish hair. Step 1. Cleanse the scalp. This power-packed shampoo is infused with caffeine, biotin and zinc to clear buildup, energize roots and refresh the scalp. Use it every alternate day, massage it in, rinse it off and feel the difference from root to tip. Now this is your secret weapon. Second step. The Blue Stratos Hair Follicle Boost Tonic is enriched with caffeine, arginine, taurine and biotin, nutrients that stimulate hair at the root level. Make it a part of your daily routine for 45 days and you will see the unbelievable results. Spray it part by part, massage it in, no rinse needed. It's non-greasy, fast absorbing and feels like a burst of energy for your hair. Last step, style smart. This isn't your average hair gel. It gives a firm hold without the crunch and it's packed with caffeine, biotin, retinyl acetate to strengthen as it styles. Easy, effective and made just for you. That's it, just 3 easy steps to unlock better hair days. Shampoo to cleanse, tonic to activate, gel to style and strengthen. All our products are clinically tested and proven, backed by the results of 180 commercial trials.